Hello guys, myself Samarth. I'm a professional coder. So today we are going to make a web page of anime series and web series. We can see their web series. Okay. Now I came to first I open VS Code. Okay, this is my VS Code. I made a part HTML, CSS, JavaScript. I already written a code. Now I'm checking Java. It's all correct. Okay. Now I will show you the result of this. As a coder, we want to face so many errors. It's the biggest problem. Professional coding is not that much easy. You can see here my web page is ready here. You can't see any anime series and web series because I not upload in it. uh, I want to upload in future.